Hello everyone, today we'll be doing the workbook solution for environmental studies for standard 5, chapter number 14, that is when the earth shook. Firstly, we'll be starting with the MCQs. First one, which of the following disaster in which the earth shakes, houses collapse and lives and property are damaged? It's option number B, earthquake. Second one, which disaster occurs when there is too much rain and the level of river water increases? It's option number C, flood. Third one, what is the fire that occurs in forest known as? It's option number D, forest fire. Fourth one, which disaster do people face when there is no rain, crops dry up, and scarcity of water and food grains is prevalent? It's option number A, drought. Fifth one, which catastrophe occurs in the sea and has a disastrous effect on the surrounding coastal areas? It's option number B, tsunami. Sixth one, which of the following events is not a natural disaster? It's option number D, bus accident. Seventh one, which of the following disasters cannot be predicted? It's option number D, earthquake. Now we'll continue with question number 2, fill in the blanks. First one, when a house has to be built, its plan is designed by an architect. Second one, the fast flowing increased waters of a river are known as flood. Third one, the phenomenon that occurs when there is a very heavy rainfall that sweeps away crops and scarcity of food grains happens is known as wet famine. Fourth one, strong winds that blow at very high speed cause the disaster known as cyclone. Fifth one, a drought is also known as a dry famine. Sixth one, during a cyclone, trees and poles fall down due to strong winds. Seventh one, when there is a fire, the fire station is notified. Now we'll continue with the true or false. First one, the city of Bhuj was the most adversely affected by the earthquake that happened in 2001. It is true. Second one, we should extinguish the fire caused by electricity with water. It is false. Third one, we should go to an open ground in case of an earthquake. It is true. Fourth one, a tsunami is a disaster that occurs in the sea. It is true. Fifth one should stand under a tree during a cyclone. It is false. Sixth one, when there is a continuous and heavy rain during monsoon, rivers get flooded. It is true. Seventh one, the possibility of earthquake increases during the rainy season. It is false. Now we'll continue with the match the following. First one, an earthquake. Its answer is number 3. The earth starts shaking. Second one, floods. Its answer is number 4. Fast flowing river. Third one is a cyclone. Its answer is fifth one, strong high speed wind. Fourth one, a forest fire. First answer is that loss of forest wealth. Now question number 5. Answer in one or two sentences. First one, what does natural disaster mean? When there is a sudden mishap that occurs in nature, human life is badly affected and people face a lot of difficulties. Such natural accidents are known as natural disasters. Second one, the state the main types of disasters. There are two main types of disasters: natural disaster and man-made disasters. Third one, name some natural disasters: earthquake, landslide, drought, flood, tsunami, cyclone, forest fire, etc. are natural disasters. Fourth one, name some man-made disasters: war, communal riots, road accidents, stampede, escaping, terrorist attacks, rebellion, etc. are man-made disasters. Fifth one, what is a flood? The fast flowing increased waters of a river are known as flood. Sixth one, when does a drought like situation occur? If there is no rain or very little rainfall, crops and fodder do not grow. Such a situation is known as drought. Now, seventh one, what does tsunami mean? When there is an earthquake in the deep regions of the sea or ocean, or when there is a volcano in the sea or ocean, high waves of gigantic proportions are created. This condition is known as tsunami. Now, eighth one, what is a forest fire? When branches of dry trees in dense forest constantly rub against each other, or due to some other reason, a fire is produced in a forest. This fire spreads very rapidly through the forest. Such a fire that is seen in forest is known as forest fire. Ninth one, what is an earthquake? Some part of the earth's surface shakes due to the movements of the tectonic plates that happen in the bowels of the earth. This is known as earthquake. Now we'll start with question number 6, that is answer the following questions. First one, after the earthquake, a lot of people from other places came to Jasma's village. Who were these people? In what ways did they help the villagers? Many people came from various places to Jasma's village. They included doctors, nurses, political leaders, police, soldiers, member of government and non-government organizations, social workers, etc. These people rescued those who were trapped under the debris and admitted them to the hospitals. They treated the injured. They provided necessary everyday things to the needy. Now, question number two: what steps should be taken when there is an earthquake? If possible, leave the house and go to an open ground without panicking. If one is in the house or in school, stand in the corner of a wall. If you cannot go out of the house, lie down under a strong thing like table and hold on tightly so that it does not slip away. Stay away from multi-story buildings and electric poles. Stay away from glass windows. Wait at a safe place until the shaking stops. Third question: what steps should be taken when there is a flood? Take shelter in a high safe place. Stay away from the river banks. Shut off the electric supply of the house. Do not go in unknown water. Be careful around open gutters and areas with potholes. Keep a stout stick, a torch with a strong rope, and things needed for first aid handy. Fourth question: why do you think one should go under a table during an earthquake? By sitting under a table during an earthquake, one can be safe even if something falls from above. This is how we can protect ourselves from getting injured. Fifth one: what are the difficulties faced by the people during floods? During floods, the people have to face a lot of difficulties due to their houses, the produce of their fields, roads, the railway, and other modes of transport being inundated with water. People are adversely affected due to scarcity of food, drinking water, clothes, and a place to stay. Sixth one: why do people live together in a neighborhood? The first near one is neighbor. A neighbor is the first person to be by one's side during difficult times, during social events, for financial matters, for advice of any kind, to celebrate festivals, or in times of happiness and sorrow. Only a neighbor is the first one to help. So people live together in a neighborhood. Now, question number seven, answer as asked. First one: at times of an earthquake, when people have lost their homes and all their belongings, what kind of help would they need? When people have lost their homes and all their belongings, they would need the following help: some arrangement to stay, food and water management, clothes, doctors and medicines, safety and security arrangements for their property, psychological warmth. Second question: what will you do to save pet animals during a natural disaster? I will take the animals to an open field in case of an earthquake. In case of drought, I will arrange for fodder and water for animals. During a flood situation, I will have the shelters of pet animals at a high and safe place. Now, question number 8: classify the following into natural and man made disasters. So, natural disasters are earthquake, volcanic eruption, drought, flood, tsunami, cyclone, and forest fire. And man made disasters are war, epidemic, stampede, rebellion, terrorist attack, and communal riots. Now, the activities: people face a lot of difficulties when they lose people from their family or their houses and belongings. In newspapers of the last 1 month, look for news related to such disasters, earthquakes, floods, fire, cyclone, etc. in different parts of the world. Collect these news reports and paste them below. Write the details underneath. So, we just need to stick the pictures from the newspapers. Now, the second activity is: your neighboring village has been affected by floods. What help will you give them? So, we will supply necessary things like food grains, clothes, medicines, cooking equipment, utensils, mattresses, etc. to my neighboring village. We will arrange shelters for the affected people. We will advise the villagers to boil water before drinking it. We will make arrangements to ensure that the cattle of the affected village get enough fodder and drinking water. We will get rid of the debris collected in the village due to flood. We will join the efforts made to repair the washed away roads of the village. We will join hands with whichever institutes are helping the village with their relief work. Now, the hot questions are: first one, which of the following is a man made disaster? It's option number C, communal riots. Second one, what should not be done during an earthquake? It's option number C. We should get down only in an elevator of a multi-story building. Third one, what happens when there is a drought? It's option number A, there is scarcity of food and water. Fourth one, which type of disaster is the cyclone that occurred in the sea near the Chennai coast with high waves? It's option number B, tsunami. And here we come to the end of the chapter number 14, when the earth shook. I hope you have understood the whole chapter. If you have any doubt, I'll surely try to answer all the questions. Thank you for watching my video.